Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting new features of the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. Meta is taking wearable tech to the next level with some impressive upgrades that are sure to catch your attention. These next-generation smart glasses are not just about style, they're packed with advanced technology. Let's explore what makes these new smart glasses stand out. Meta is reportedly planning to add displays to its next-generation Ray-Ban smart glasses. This addition is expected to enhance the user experience by providing real-time information and seamless integration with other smart devices. Imagine being able to view notifications, weather updates, or even directions, all through your stylish Ray-Ban glasses. This feature will bring convenience and innovation right to your eyewear. The upgraded Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses are expected to launch in the second half of 2025. The anticipation is building as we await the arrival of these innovative glasses. Mark your calendars, because these glasses could revolutionize the way we interact with our digital world on a daily basis. The small display will likely show notifications and responses from Meta's AI assistant. This feature will allow users to stay connected and informed without needing to reach for their smartphones. Whether it's a quick glance at a message or a prompt from your AI assistant, the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses aim to make your life easier and more connected. The design of the next-generation Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses is aimed to be stylish and compact, similar to traditional Ray-Ban sunglasses. This ensures that users can enjoy advanced technology without compromising on fashion and comfort. The goal is to integrate cutting-edge tech into a form factor that feels natural and looks great, maintaining the iconic Ray-Ban look. One of the key aspects of the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses is the focus on enhancing user experience. By incorporating displays and AI integration, Meta aims to provide a seamless and intuitive experience. Users will be able to interact with their environment in new and exciting ways, making everyday tasks more efficient and enjoyable. In conclusion, the next-generation Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses are shaping up to be an exciting addition to the wearable tech market. With the addition of displays, enhanced functionality, and a stylish design, there's a lot to look forward to. These glasses promise to blend style and technology in a way that has never been done before. Share your thoughts about these new features in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.